We've all been there. A deadline is screaming at you. The screen is blank, and the clock is ticking loudly. But instead of starting, you clean your room, check your fridge for the 10th time, or scroll aimlessly through social feeds. Society calls this laziness. Your inner critic calls it a lack of discipline. But modern psychology reveals that laziness doesn't actually exist here. Procrastination is not a time management flaw. It is an emotional survival mechanism. Your brain isn't avoiding the task. It is hiding from the negative feelings attached to it. Here is the dark science of why you delay. First, your brain views work as actual physical danger. Deep inside your skull lies the amygdala. This is your biological smoke detector. When you look at a difficult task, the amygdala fires up. It associates fear, insecurity, and frustration with the project itself. To protect you, your emotional brain overrides your logical brain. It demands immediate relief from that stress. So you click away to find a cheap hit of dopamine. You aren't managing your time poorly. You are managing your immediate pain. Procrastination is just a short-term shield with a massive long-term price tag. Second, procrastination is deeply linked to your identity. Chronic procrastinators are almost always perfectionists. They hold an irrational belief system. If I don't do it perfectly, I am a failure. This creates an intense psychological gridlock. If you never start the essay, the business, or the script, then your work cannot be judged. By delaying execution, you preserve your fragile ego. You can comfort yourself with the toxic lie, I could have excelled. I just didn't try my hardest. To a perfectionist, the pain of doing a mediocre job is far worse than the pain of doing nothing at all.
Third, neurologists found an issue with how we visualize time. When you think about yourself right now, your brain lights up. But when you think about your future self in 2 weeks, your brain treats that person like a complete stranger. This neurological glitch is called present bias. We are hardwired to prioritize immediate comfort over long-term rewards. Your current brain passes the heavy emotional labor off to that stranger living in tomorrow. You tell yourself, tomorrow me will have more energy. But when tomorrow arrives, you are the exact same person, staring down the exact same fear.
Breaking this cycle requires a radical shift in perspective. You must stop trying to manage your time perfectly. Instead, you must manage your emotional entry point. Lower the bar to the point of absolute absurdity. Don't write the whole report. Just open the blank document. Don't build the whole business. Write one single email. By making the entry point small, you bypass the amygdala. Action triggers motivation, not the other way around. Forgive yourself for your past unproductiveness. The guilt only builds a bigger wall to hide behind tomorrow. You are not lazy. You are just learning how to be brave.